Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video for you guys today on a brand called Surratt and some of the products that they have that I just adore. So I'm actually wearing a lot of their products right now on my eyes because I feel like their eye products really stand out. This is a Japanese company, and so their textures and their products are really unique, I find, and innovative. And I want to talk about my faves. So to start off, they have this souffle eyeshadow in Gris Doux, and it is just beautiful. I'm wearing it all over my eyelids right now, and it is this like souffle like kind of bouncy texture, which is just super unique and super fun. This is what it looks like, the color. It's called soft gray or gris doux, which means soft gray in French, but it actually has more of a goldy tone, and it kind of pulls, I think, gold on the eyes. And so this is a really beautiful color just for like the all over base, and really fun, long wearing, super beautiful. Love this one. They also have really beautiful quads, and I have this quad in Beyond Beige, and the colors on this, I'm actually wearing a couple of the colors on my eyes layered on top of the souffle, and these colors are just like, you know, when you get a quad and it's like, oh, I love two colors but I don't like the rest. All of these colors are really beautiful. They have a sheen to them. They're kind of a velvety tone rather than like a shimmer or completely matte. So it's really, I find, sophisticated, and the colors like just blend really beautifully together. There's lots of like butteriness to the colors, and I really love the Beyond Beige palette specifically. A couple other products that I'm wearing that I just want to mention because I really, really love them. I am wearing their brow pomade, and this pomade is so interesting because it comes with this brush, and the brush is just like super unique. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, there we go. And it really creates like the most beautiful, like natural lift. It's not overly laminated looking. Your eyebrows don't get hard. There's no flaking. It's just like everything's held in place and lifted super beautifully. This is my go-to from now on. I'm super in love with this. Super innovative, of course it is. Japanese brands, I feel like, always have cool innovations. And then my last favorite product, not my last favorite, my final favorite product, because this might actually be my favorite product, is this smoky eye baton in color Fumé Brun. And it is this like thickness that's really interesting. It's not like a Laura Mercier caviar stick, which is really chunky, but it's also not an eyeliner. I'm wearing it kind of like an eyeliner right now, but it's just like soft, smoky, beautiful. I've moved away from like a hard liquid liner line. I'll just show you kind of like my hand. It's just, you know, it doesn't look remarkable on the hand really, but like when you put it on and play with it, it just creates like a soft line that's very, again, like I think all their eye products to me speak to like sophistication, not overly shimmery, not overly sharp, like really, I think like 30s, like this is like a 30s woman brand when it comes to at least their eye products. I'm also wearing their lipstick, and this is color Brandy. It's a beautiful neutrally nude. It has a little bit of color, but not much. It's very natural, very hydrating. And so this is my last, I know it's not an eye product, but it's my final of my faves from Surratt. I'm gonna link all these products and the colors. I know I've kind of gone through this quickly. I'm gonna list all these products below in the bio so that you can kind of click and check out the items I've mentioned. Yeah, I just really love this brand, and I think it's worth giving it a shot. Yeah, innovation. I love like new kinds of products, and I feel like some of these are very unique, and I love something that's unique, not everywhere. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is a super quick video. I just wanted to kind of throw it out there, and I will be using these products in other looks moving forward. So you'll see them again, but just the quick rundown of my favorites, those are them. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.